Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating your environment. This reduces cross-contamination risks. First, boot a dedicated PC or a fresh virtual machine and install the latest OS image. Then, apply security updates and install only essential tools. Create a new local user account and turn off sync, backups, and browser autofill so traces don't leak. Once done, review running services and disable unnecessary network shares and printers. Make sure the machine is as minimal as possible before proceeding to network controls. Next, you harden the network path and tooling. First, route traffic through a trustworthy VPN or hardware firewall. Do not enable split tunneling because it can leak your real IP. Inside the VM, download Tor browser and verify its signature to ensure integrity. Configure Tor and, where feasible, use a live OS like Tails for stronger isolation. Then, disable JavaScript, plugins, and unnecessary features. These are common exploit vectors. Make sure your firewall rules restrict inbound connections before you connect to the network. Finally, you follow safe behavior while browsing and then clean up. Use pseudonymous identities, create disposable email accounts, and never reuse credentials. This reduces correlation risk. Avoid downloading files. If necessary, scan them in an offline sandbox and never open executables on your host. When finished, close Tor, shut down the VM or live OS, and clear temporary data. Change any keys or passwords used. If you experience connectivity leaks or identity exposure, isolate the device. Collect logs for analysis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.